Generally, any programming language, two types of storages are there. అయిపోయిందా? One is temporary storage, second one is permanent storage. Temporary storage means all the data types, integer, list, tuple, string, dictionary, all those are temporary storage. Once program execution completed, the data is not available permanently. I want to store data permanently for future purpose. Then we need to go with first concept is file handling. At the time of files, three types of files are there: text files, binary files, and CSV files. Text files, we can store the characters data. Binary file, we can store like images, JPG, PNG formats, audio files, video files, those. CSV files are nothing but Excel files, comma, separated values, just like how Excel file is there, rows and columns. In that, we have to store the data. Sir, once if you want to store data permanently, first we have to open the file. If you want to read or write operation, first we have to open the file. For that, Python is provided one function. That function is open. Inside it is asking two parameters. One is file name, second one is mode. Different types of modes are available. First mode is R. It is completely for reading purpose. Once open file in read mode, the file pointer is positioned at the beginning of the file. For example, whenever I open the file in read mode, if the file is not available, then we will get error. What is error? File not found error. Because I've opened for reading purpose, but that file is not available, we will get the file not found error. Second mode is W. It is for writing purpose. If the file is already available, some content is available, then that data will be overridden. Old data will be gone. Only new data is available there. At the time of W mode, if the file is not available, it is creating a new file. Next one, A. A means for appending purpose. It won't override data. It is added data to the existing data. For example, at the time of append mode, if the specified file is not available, it will also create the new file. We are not getting error. Error only we are getting at the time of read mode only. If the file is not available, then we will get file not found. W mode, append mode, automatically file will be created. R plus. These three operations are allowed only one action only, either reading, writing, appending. R plus meant for first we have to read the data. If I want to write, I can write also. Two operations will be possible. Reading and writing is possible. If you open file read mode, try to write the content, no chance. It's not allowed. But R plus can be allowed both operations, reading and writing. W plus means first we have to write the data. Whenever you're writing data, old data will be gone, only new data available. After that, I have to read the data. A plus, appending and reading. X meant for only for writing purpose, write operations purpose. In the X mode, if file already available there, we will get file exist error. So file should not be available into your system. These all modes are for text files. If it is a binary file, we can go with R with B, W with B, AB, those things. Once all your operations are completed, compulsory, you have to close the file. For that, we have close command is there. Append means append only. adding data to existing data. Old data is available, some new data will be provided there. After that, I explained some patterns. Okay, okay. Anyone completed these? Yes or no? No, good students. If you are yes, bad students only. Don't practice, huh? I think Saturday you closed the notes, yes? Just now you opened the books. Sir, now, whenever I open the file having some properties are there. How to read that properties means take the test.py. In this, sir, I want to open a file. The command is open. Inside the file is abc dot ఏదో అయినట్టుంది. ఎవరు అనిరుద్ధ్? ఆయనకి ఎక్కడి నుంచో విషయాలు వచ్చినాయా? సుదర్శి మణి అమ్మాయా అబ్బాయా? అబ్బాయేనా? హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అనిరుద్ధ్. Go with double E mode. So, sir, double E mode means it is for writing purpose. Now, what is the file name? abc.txt is the file name. I want to print that file name, sir. How to print that file name? F dot, what is the variable? Name. Name is one built-in variable or property or attribute. It will be stored the file name. The file name will be displayed in the console. Run the program. అదిగోండి. What is the file name? abc.txt. So the first attribute is name. Second one, which mode I opened the file? W, meant for writing purpose. How to get that? File mode. F dot, what is the value? Mode, sir. Then it will be displayed. The file is readable or writable? Only writable. I need to ask whether my file is readable or not. Is a file, is it a readable file? Writable? Writable. Readable means no. So what is the function? Sir, name, mode, readable. What is the readable? What is readable? Is it a function or a variable? Function. Name, mode or variables. Ante variable or attribute or property, all are same. Why readable function means because of parenthesis. Parenthesis means function calling. These are just variables only. It is not readable, sir. That's why I'm getting as answer false. Ante readable function will give Boolean value, true na false. File is not readable. That's why we are getting as a false. Ade, my file is writable or not? Now, true. ఇదిగోండి. File name, mode, readable no, writable yes. Whether file is closed or not closed. Is file closed? No. So closed is a function or attribute. I'm not closing the file. That's why I'm getting as a false. In the last class, I'm telling once all your operations are completed, what is the function? F dot close. Now you can ask, close this. Now you can ask whether the file closed or not closed now. No, closed successfully. And we once creating file, the attributes are first one is name, mode, readable function, writable function, closed is a attribute. Sir, make heading various properties of file object. Once we opened a file, and we got file object, we can get once we opened a file, we got the file object. We can get various details related to that file by using its properties. By using its properties. First one, name. Name. Name of the opened file. Name of the opened file. Mode. In which mode the file is opened? Which mode the file is opened? Closed. Returns a Boolean value indicates that file is closed or not. Indicates that the file is closed or not closed. Readable. Returns a Boolean value whether file is readable or not. Writable. Writable. Writable or not. Hmm. అమ్మా నిద్రలో ఆ ఏంటంటే మండే క్లాసులు పెట్టద్దా? The next one completed. possible. Where we are implementing these things. I mean, next, once file is opened, sir, ABC is ready. Check this. In the current working directory, file will be created, nothing empty. Now, I want to write the data to the file. I want to write data to the file. For that purpose, there are two commands are there. One is write. Second one is write lines. Inside write command, it is accepted one string. Write lines can accepted list of lines. If I want to add a string to the file, then first command, multiple lines I want to add at a time, then I can go to the write lines is the command. For example, file is opened, remove all these. F dot write off. Internal I have to provided Naresh. Sir, what is the meaning of slash n? Escape character. It will goes to the next line or new line. Both are same only. Next F dot write off. Again slash n, sir. Go to the next line. F dot write off. Technologies. F dot close. Save and run. I'm not getting anything. Sorry. ఒక print statement we have to write. Data written to the file successfully. Now this one will be printed. Sir, previously one time I executed. Now I'm executed second time. Two times I'm running the program. This is the first time. This is the second time. Now Naresh Shetty technology is available. How many times, sir? One time or two times, sir? Open the file. How many times available? One time only. You can run 100 times. ఇదిగోండి running. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more, 7, 8 times. That it is available only one time because the data will be overridden. That is, I'm telling previously, at the time of W mode, already data is available. It will be overridden means old data will be gone, new data will be added. Ade, if I want to add, then I can go to the what is the meaning of append mode? It will be appending, sir. Already one time available there. Observe now. One time available Naresh Shetty. 2, 3, 4. How many times you executed? All the times Naresh Shetty technology is available there. That is the meaning of append mode and W mode. Writing data to text file. If you are not closing file, nothing will be happened. Output same will come. but it is recommended to close the file after your operations. We can write character data to the Excel file by using two methods. Write of str, sir. Second one, write lines of list of lines. Oh, list of lines. Note, the above program data present in the file overridden every time if we run the program. Instead of overriding, if we want to append operation, then we should open the file as equal to open of a mode append mode. File spelling wrong అంటే అక్కడ just minute. Completed. Second one, sir. What is the second command? Write lines. In the right, sir, in the right command, I'm given strings. Write lines means you have to provide a list we can pass it as a argument. So here I opened one more file. The file name is abcd.txt, W mode. Remove all these. Take one list, sir. First name, second name, third name, fourth name. List is there. F dot write lines is the command. Inside you can pass what you can pass that list. A list of lines written to the file successfully added. Go to there, check the file ABCD. Today date 5/2/2024. Now the time 9:50. Open the file. Wow. No. Line by line I can required. Then we go with /n, 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 last అవసరం లేదు. Now a list of lines will be written. Open the file. Now data is available there. That is write lines. Two commands are available there, sir. Next one, reading data from the text files. Reading data from the, for the writing purpose, two commands are there, write and write lines. For the reading purpose, four commands are there. Read, read often, read line, read lines. Four are there. Read means, sir, it is to read the total data to read all the data from the file. To read only n number of characters from the file. To read only one line. To read all lines into a list, sir. That is the 4 commands are there. Read of n, whatever number I am passing, that many characters. Read line, one line. Read lines, all lines. Read lines return type is list. First example. To read total data from the file, go to the test.py, sir. Open the file with read mode. The command is f.read stored into variable. The read function return type is string. The type of data and print the total data. Read function return type is string. The file contains anni, bunny, winnie, pinny. So the first function is read function. That in the file, this is the data available there. Sunny, Bunny, Winnie, and Pinny available there. The type not required. Just I'm using read of 10. This is the file content. What is the output we will get? Read of 10 means it is reading first 10 characters it is reading. So what is the output we will get? Sunny, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So starting onwards, it is reading 10 characters, sir. That is the meaning of read of 10. I'm printing the data. What is the output we will get? Sunny, అంతేనా? Yes, correct. Doubt. Error. Spelling mistakes ఏం లేవు కదా. What is the output? I'm telling you, starting to 10 characters it is reading. That is the meaning of read of 10. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the output we will get? Sunny and BUNN. Bun only, not bunny. అయ్యో, వై పోయింది, గుడ్డు పోయిందిలాగా వై పోయింది. Because the reason is, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the time of writing data, I'm using /n. Ante escape character. That is also one character. Sixth one, that is 7, 8, 9, 10. సరిపోయింది కదా. That is the meaning of to read only first 10 characters. వచ్చేసి సరే, ఇప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ కౌంటింగ్ దమ్ నెంబర్స్ స్టూడెంట్ 1, 2, 3. సెకండ్ లైన్కి వెళ్ళా, తన కౌంట్ 4 మళ్ళీ 1. మరి అంతే కదా, సేమ్ అది కూడా లైన్ బై లైన్. అంతేనా? కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Sir, what is the third one? Third command? Read line. And it is reading only one line only. I want to read total data line by line, line by line. For example, see this. Read line. Ante what it will read? First line. 3, 4 lines are there. Read line means automatically it is reading which line? First line. That's why I'm given as a line 1. Print that one. Line 1. Read? Yes, sir. Same. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4 ఉన్నాయి కదా. సెకండ్ టైం అంటే 2. నెక్స్ట్ 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Sunny, Bunny, Winnie. But every line that extra line I want to remove. I don't want this extra line between the values. I can go with end attributes, sir. Now, am I getting any extra line? No. To read data line by line. To read the data line by line. Read line. End attribute. Sir, just example purpose, I'm telling these things. Okay, na? Just you have to take two enough. Chalu. Just to read line means read line one, line two bus. Next one. What is the last command? Lines. Read lines. Stored into lines. What is the type? The type of lines is list, sir. ఇదిగోండి. In the list, total data is available there. From there, I want to read the line. For loop, for each line in where? Lines. What can I print? Print every line. Adi. Now, మళ్ళీ extra line is added. And equal to. Now, all the data is coming with single command. Instead of read line, we go with read lines. To read all lines into a list, we go with read lines. That is the four commands. Read off and read line, read lines. Writing purpose two are there, write and write lines. Next example. Completed. So the file is, this is the file, and what is the file? This one is the file. abcd.txt. This is the file content. 4 lines are available there. Sunny Bunny content is available. Okay. Now, in this one, see this example. Print f dot read of 3. This is my file. If I run the program, what is the output I will get? First 3 lines it is reading. So automatically, what is the output we will get? S, U, N. Read this. What is the first 3 letters? S, U, N. Sun is available there. Okay, fine. Now, I am reading print f dot read line. Now, what is the output? What is the output we will get? First line SUN will be printed. After that, I am using read line. Then what is the output? Sunny or Bunny? He is telling Sunny. Sunny will be printed or Bunny will be printed? Sunny? Sunny. Sir, once you read of 3 means the cursor is started here. First 3 characters printed. Okay, fine. That is the output I am getting already here. SUN. After that, I am using read line. Now, where is the cursor? In the 3rd position. Read line means wherever the cursor is there, from there to end of the line. So, what is available? N, Y. That is the output we will get. Adigonde. Ante read line means wherever your cursor is there, from there to until end of the line. Not, it will goes to the starting and complete line. Okay. First 3, next NY. Sorry, now. Read of 4. Now, what is the output? First SUN, after that NY. After that, I'm asking read of 4 characters. Next 4 characters are BUN, bun. Okay, done. Now my requirement is remaining data I want to read. Remaining data emundi? NY, Winnie, and Pinny is there. That data I want to read. Read lines means again it is reading all. Sunny, Bunny, Winnie, Pinny. I'm asking NY, Winnie, Pinny. Remaining data I want to read. For that purpose, I want to print remaining data. How can I get it? F dot read. Wherever your cursor is there, from there it is reading data. ఇదిగోండి. Sun, NY, 4, Y, Winnie, Pinny will coming. With statement. Up to now, we opened file normally. Open is the command, file name and mode we are providing. I want to open file by using which statement? With ante. Open a file this is we are doing up to now. Now with open as f. Ikkada we have to write block of the statements. Ante under with block, 4 statements are there. That is the first one. This one up to now we know. Open a file with mode. We have to give a reference as f. From now onwards, I'm using second style. With open same abc txt as f. Inside I have to write the block of the code. What is the advantage of this with statement? With is a one keyword. It is a one keyword. You know what is the with? Keyword. So by using that, we have to open the file. What is the advantage of this with the keyword? Why we need to go with that? Because of this, sir, whenever you are completing all your operations, every time we are using one statement. What is the statement? Close. Every time I'm telling, if I'm not closing also no problem, but it is a recommended one. After completion of your operation, you have to use close function explicitly. The file is closed or not closed. How I'm checking? Starting, I'm given one variable. What is the variable? Closed. If your file is closed, you will get the true. If file is not closed, you will get the false. Previously, we executed this one. But the main advantage of with statement is after completion of all your operations with the block, you no need to close your file. Automatically, it will be closes. మరి file closed or not closed, how to check? You can ask closed attribute, then it will display the file is closed or not closed. So that is the advantage of with statement. For example, with open abcd.txt, comma w mode as f, sir. Sir, colon, now whatever statements we have to write in this block, those are with the statement. For example, if I'm writing coding like this, is it belong to with the statement? No, out of the block. Only that block only belongs to that with the statement, sir. Now, f dot write something that you have to write. Naresh. F dot write IT. F dot so after operations, just now I'm using one command. My file is closed or not closed. I'm asking to the Python. Is file closed or not closed? What is the variable? Closed. Now you have to tell the output the file closed or not closed. True or false? True means closed. False means not closed. So by using with this statement, what is the advantage? After all your operations, automatical file will be closes. So am I getting true or false? ఏంది కొంతమంది ట్రూ అంటారు, కొంతమంది ఫాల్స్ అంటారు. అన్ని ట్రూ. అన్ని ట్రూ ఏంటమ్మా మౌనిక? Sir, the file is closed or not closed? True or false? False means why? Sir, when file closed means after completion of all your block, it will be closed. You can use this command outside the block. Then once all your operations, still if you are in with the statement, file not closed. Once all completed, I am asking, okay, your operations are done. This is not belongs to with, then automatically file will be closed. Now you can check this. Closes, not closes. Closed. So with the statements are the with the statement can be used while opening a file. With this statement can be used we can use this to group file operation statements with a block. To group file operation statements with a block. That the advantage of with the statement is it will take care of, sorry, the advantage of with the statement is it will take care closing of a file. The advantage of with the statement is it will take care closing of the file. After completing all operations, automatically, even in case of exceptions also, it will closes automatically. And we are not required to close explicitly. That is the advantage of with the statement while opening the file. After all your operations, automatically it will be closes. Next two methods are there, sir. Tell and seek methods. What is the meaning of tell? Tell. ఏమన్నా tell English word. What is the Telugu meaning? That is only correct only. What is the meaning of tell? Tell means అది head opposite. That is a tail. Head and tail. Idi I am asking tell. What is the meaning tell? Go, it is there na, read it. చెప్పు. Sir, tell means I am asking the cursor position. What is your cursor? For example, if I open file in the read mode, by default, it is this position means starting position is 0. String containing indexing or not 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 same. ఇదిగోండి. If cursor is here 0, ఇది 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that positions. And I am asking to the Python what is the current location where present I am in. For example, see, open a file abc.txt, comma, R mode, go to F. First, I open the file, I'm asking f.tell. In the yesterday class, I'm telling you, read this one. Whenever open an existing file read operation, the file pointer is positioned at where? Beginning of the file. So just now open file, read mode. I'm asking what is the current file location. Automatically, what is the starting point position? 0. Suppose a string is there. What is the first index of the string? 0 only. Same like that. Here also we are getting 0. Now I want to read some characters. Print f dot read of 3 characters. Now I am asking Babu, please tell where is the file pointer. 3 character read ఏంటంటే 0, 1, 2. Next position, what it is? 3. అదిగోండి. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ 0 కదా. 3 characters I am reading. So 0, 1, 2. Where is the file pointer? In the third position, the cursor is there. That is the meaning of the tell. Tell means within the file, where is your pointer? That is the meaning of tell command. Tell. We can use tell method to return current position of the cursor, file pointer from the beginning of the file. Ante I'm asking, can you please tell current position? That is the meaning of the tell command. The position, or we can call it as the index of the first character is the position of the in file is 0. Just like string index. That is the tell command. ఆ? ఎక్కడ? POSITION, పొజిషన్. సెకండ్ వన్ సీక్ మెథడ్. సీక్. Sir, what is the meaning of the seek? Tell means asking. What is your position? You have to tell file is 0 na, 3 na, 4 or 5. I'm asking the current position. I'm asking to the Python virtual machine. It is telling the tell. What is meant by seek? Seek means, for example, that is the meaning of seeking. If I want to go forward, go here, you can release. Is it go to there? No, I want to go back. No, that is the meaning of seeking. Want to go the position and go to the back, it will be provided there. That is called as seeking method. That is seek method, sir. We can seek, we can use seek method to move the cursor, means file pointer to a specified location. Wherever you want, you can move it. Can you please seek the cursor to a particular location? That is the meaning of seek. Tell means asking, seek means move to the so and so position. For example, sir, see the example program. Sir, now I have some data is there, some string that is all students are. All the students are. In what to do next? So that is the one string available there. All students are bad. Aite, I want to change, observe this. I want to write to the file. The data is available. I want to change this bad as a gems. And only that what I want to modify, because before my SR classes, after my SR classes, difference is there. Same. My requirement is this string I want to write to the file first of all. I'm not changing total, only that bad I want to remove from you. Okay. So first to open the file, one empty file, abc.txt. Which mode? Writing purpose, it is empty file. Sir, data is the string. So what is the command? Write of what can I write? Data. Okay, up to just execute it. What is happening there? Executed. Open the file, abc. What is the data available there? All students are bad. Okay, fine. My requirement is only change this bad word only. Make it as a gems. Then what we have to do in this case? Again, I want to open file with open abc.txt, comma, which mode can I open? That is, you have to tell. Which mode? Which mode can I open? R means only reading, W means only writing, A means it is appending. Ante all students bad and gems will be added, not modified. W plus, then what will happen? Old data will be gone. Only gems is available there. So can I go with R plus? R plus means I'm reading. After that, I'm writing the data. Both operations are allowed. R plus. First of all, you have to read the content. So if you want to read the content, what is the command? Read. Stored into variables are what it is? Text. Print the text. Ante I'm writing some data, reading and printing in the console. Don't go for open every time file. So what is the content available? All students are bad. Okay, nice. Once I read the data, asla where is my cursor? I don't know. I'm asking to the Python. To ask the cursor, there is one command is there. What is the command? Tell. So what is the current position? I am asking. So the current position of the file I'm asking. Anyone tell what is the current position? 0. Oh, if I open R mode, then it is 0. I am reading the content already. Ante cursor will be goes to the last position. Last low to the position because I read it data or not. If you're not reading any data, if you open R mode, 0. But I'm using this line number 5. You are reading total data. Cursor should be last position. Ante 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is the cursor position. Adigondi. Yes or no? Yes. You want to remove bad ante you have to shift position to the B. Ante 20 నుంచి back రావాలి position. 20, 19, 18, 17. Ante 17 లో you have to place the cursor. How to do that one? Just now I'm given command. What it is? Seek of 17. My cursor will be go to 17 or not? Yes. Now ask, what is the position of the present? First 20. Now I'm in where? 17. You want to write some data. What is the data? F dot write of gems. Now, okay, done. Now, once I'm writing data, the cursor will goes to which position? Last position. I want to read the data means what is the meaning of seek of 0? The cursor is coming to the first. Ante seek means if wherever you want to go, you can move in. Yes or no? Now cursor will goes to the starting. Yeah, now you can read. F dot read stored into a variable, print that variable. Print into the data after modification. What can I print? Text I can print. Save this. Run it. Good. First, all students are bad. Cursor 20, go to 17. After modification, all students become gems. In the file, added, not added. Go to ABC. Previously, all students are bad. Now, all students are gems because of MySR classes. Oh. బాబు గారు బ్యాడ్ అనేది అవునా ఇప్పుడు కర్సర్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు వన్స్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ డేట్ మూవ్ అవ్వదు మరి ప్రీవియస్ ఒక నిమిషం ఆగు ప్రీవియస్ మీరు రాసుకోండి ప్రీవియస్లీ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ రైట్ కమాండ్ నరేష్ ఐటీ టెక్నాలజీస్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ డబ్ల్యూ మోడ్ 3 times ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ మరి అప్పుడు మూవ్ అవ్వాలిగా ఏమవుద్ది ఓవర్ రైడ్ అవుతుంది దట్ డేట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుద్దంటే వెన్ ఎవర్ కర్సర్ ఇస్ దేర్ జీ రాసినప్పుడు బి విల్ బి గాన్ జీ అంతేగాని బ్యాడ్ జరగదు డేటా విల్ బి ఓవర్ రిడన్ అంటే ఏంటి ఓల్డ్ డేటా విల్ బి గాన్ న్యూ డేటా ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ అది మీనింగ్ మరి ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ ఎఫ్ డాట్ రైట్ 5 times ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఎగ్జామ్షన్ ఏమవ్వాలి జరగాలి కదా మరి వై ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్